So I have just a little piece of the cake that we were using earlier, and what I need to do is just make a little ramp so that the little head can start going up to the top cake. So I just take my knife and I want to place it at an angle and cut down. It's kind of like the same thing that we did when we cut the that top cake. Just cut some of this off. It needs to be actually a little bit taller. So I'll take this one and place it on top of this one. Okay, so it needs to go to the top there. Okay, that looks like it'll work. Let me get rid of these sharp corners. Okay, so I want to place it on right. Take some of that off, right up against the cake rake, just like that. Okay, and then I'm just going to pop a little bit of buttercream right here, just so that the head will stick. Okay, so the head is the darker. We want it to be about there. And before I let go, I actually need to place the second one, which is the lavender one, right here, and that's going to help support it. Okay, before I go any further, because if I put the next one on here, I won't be able to get in this little area. What I want to do is put some grass in there with the grass tip, which is a 233 tip. Let me show you what it looks like. Like that, 233. Place it in the bag, and I have some of the same green, or actually this isn't the same green. This is just a leaf green, and it has a little bit of the avocado green in it. Okay, to tone the avocado green, kind of tones it down a little bit. Then I have a little bit of yellow icing here. So I like to take a little bit of the yellow and just put some in the bag. Just kind of smear it in the bag here and there. Probably take a little bit more and place it way down there. Okay, then take the green. Notice how I don't mix the color in all together. I just, it's a lot better if you have variation of color for your leaves and grass and things of that sort. Okay, and then just squeeze some out. Okay, and I want to fill in this little area down in here. Okay, so you don't see any of that cake in there. And we're also going to come around and fill in this gap. Turn it around here. So we're going to go all the way around here, and we're also going to do it at the base down here. So I just squeeze, pull the tip in different directions. And right here, see this? I want to actually push this head on just a little bit more. There we go. Now if I'm transporting this, what I can do is actually take a skewer and skewer the head into the cake all the way through, but if you're not transporting it, then you don't need to do that.